Mav McNealy is a shot back as he comes to the 18th here at Pebble Beach.
When I have a chance to win a golf tournament, it seems like the world slows down. You perceive things in ultra HD. It just flows.
There's a manufacturing story behind every shot that's played in golf. Every tour-level golf ball is produced here in Chicopee, Massachusetts. We take a lot of pride in that.
I am so grateful to be partnered with Callaway because they're like me. I was an industrial engineer by training in school, and they're a bunch of engineers that are working to make every golf club and ball as good as it possibly can be.
Golf is a game of inches, but in manufacturing, it's a game of thousands and tens of thousands of inches. Every day, we collect over 10 million data points to make sure that the product that we're producing is consistent every single time.
In a smart factory, data is traversed across multiple types of equipment. AT&T brings reliable, fast, secure connectivity to create predictability and consistency, just like a golf player wants.
The same technology that helps Maverick also helps the weekend golfer.
Imagine if 25 million golfers could feel like Maverick McNealy through technology in your smart factory. That's a heck of a business proposition.
When a Callaway player wins, it's really a fantastic feeling. Maverick and other players are part of the family. They really are.
I love team sports, and one of my biggest concerns about playing professional golf was missing that team aspect. But there really is a team behind me, my family, my friends, people that run my business, that build my golf clubs. I care so much about these people. I cannot wait to win and share it with them.
Back up the hill. Good looking. Oh, wow, what a stroke.